Actually, ang church choir namugna atong 2018. But before that, nagduol mi ni Kuya Rene mo, my husband, kay Sir Mario. The first time is 2016. Parang nangliligaw. 2016, which is supposedly we'll be celebrating our first anniversary. Bago din kami na-transfer diri sa church. And then, denied. Then, 2017 comes. Wala pa rin. Kasi, busy siya for other activities outside. Kaya, medyo feel na when it will be frustrated. But, by 2018, sometime in June or July, meron nag-deliver og message nga go to the Ante-Rome kay si Junre, which is you, gisugo ni Sir Mario to gather the potentials member of the church choir, which focus on the church member only.
Actually, that time na nag-approach at Ninil, I was so very busy that time. Good. Kay dili lang man, ang gina-consider na ko is kung akong i-handle ang church choir, tapos dili pa ko maka-commit yun, hatag og time. Kay di lang pumpod ang church choir akong gina-handle. I have community choir, college choir. So that is one thing nga i-consider gid nako that time. Kay grabe gid pud ka busy sa work and of course sa other choirs na akong na-handle before the church. So that's why sabi ko nga dili lang sa te kay ako sa i-plaster ang ako pong mga other responsibility outside.
As far as I can remember, I think the choir started around 2018, around April. And nagpatawag si Sir Mario og audition para sa mga bagong members, sa mga ganahan mag-join. Ang mga old members niya sa Central, which also na member po diri sa South, automatic na to siya na himong member na gyud diri sa choir. So iya lang gidugang mo to nagdugang siya nagkuan siya og audition para madungagan ang mga member sa choir kay gamay ra man kayo.
Actually, aduna lalo na katong gikanta nga naay na discuss siya gikanta MVC, which medyo naato siya matawag na to pagsulay. But then it was just spontaneously nga nasulbad man without parang smooth sailing la with God's help and prayer. Nagampo lang gyud kauban sa itong mga kaigsuunan kay tungod medyo delikado to. In fact, our president medyo traumatic siya kasi siya to nag-drive atong kiya nga na-discuss siya sa talai.
It was on our way back. It was me who drove the car going there. Ako po ang nag-drive pabalik. So while we're on our way home, nag-biya talaingod mi. I think that was dark na medyo pa na around 5 or 6. Marag ulan-ulan. Nagabahada na. I think we're closely approaching to Talaingod na. And then pag hinahinay nagnaog, ang speed is around 40 or 50. Dito na ako na-notice nga nawala ang brake. So ako siyang gikuan several times, both dakuan kay basig na nalipat lang ko sa clutch or brake, but I was very certain nga nawala gid ang brake. I don't know if it's luck or maybe kaingon ko kuan gid to, siguro na divine intervention. Matawag ito, it was a divine intervention. It's very typical no nga kahuna-una ka as a leader nga ma-discourage ka, you start blaming yourself what had happened. Pero wala ko nagpadala ana, and I look at the brighter side nga I know it was a test for the group. I know nga na nasuko gyud or nasinag gyud ang yawa sa ministry sa grupo, kay every now and then we're getting appointments, and then I know nga na wala nalipay ang yawa sa buhat ng mga mayong buhat nga ginahimo sa choir alang sa buhat sa Ginoo.
It boasts me as a Christian that I am part of the choir nga makahatag og mensahe, because our ultimate goal is to sing praise to the Lord, not for ourselves.
Tinguha gid sa choir is to preach the gospel through music, and mao ginay perminti nga ginabuhat sa choir uban sa tabang sa Ginoo. And we've been doing that for the past 5 years, happy, and walay pugsanay, even ang mga sa kabisi sa mga schedule sa mga members. But every time our director calls for a practice, willing you guys lang kuan mo tungha gitanan. It's because they love to serve our Lord through singing.
I've been noticing for 5 years time, we're able to render our songs. Yun ang sinabi ko. We able to render our songs beautifully. I know some of the people listen to our song, touch their soul. So that is why I always reminding the choir, every time we sing, wala ta nagpasikat. This is the moment that we're able to inspire the people inside the church. So I think in 5 years time, na may mga challenges, na may mga difficulty along the way, hindi na may iwasan. But we keep on doing good work, work as one by the help of God. As long as nasa atong mind nga this is for the Lord. Para sa iyan, nothing at all. Wala nang iba pa na other reason. But this is for Him.